Hey girlies, today we're going to be doing a middle part quick weave. We're going to go ahead and jump right on into it. First things first, braid your hair down. At least that's what I'm going to do. We're going to braid their hair down. This is the last braid I had to do because I wasn't going to show y'all the whole process of that. That's too much. But you want to go ahead and braid it down. Just do some straight backs. Do some straight backs because this is a middle part. It don't really matter. It's nothing extra to it. I'm going to grease my scalp with this Blue Magic, and I'm also going to grease it with this Do Grow Anti-Itch formula. Then I'm going to go ahead and take a crochet needle, and I'm going to crochet that last little braid through, the rest of them. That way it's not just dangling in the back. You're going to get your wig cap. Now, I use the brown one. Preferably use a black one, but I didn't have that, and we're using what we got to get what we want. Okay, so you're gonna put your wig cap on, and then you're gonna somehow isolate that leave out. Now I just tucked mine under because I can't see with it in my eyeballs. Drag that wig cap down as far as you can so you can see your parts. Around your leave out. Then you're gonna take any color like liner or whatever, white. I'm using pink in this case because it's all I had. And you're just going to trace out where your leave out is. That way you don't get no glue on it and you know where to like stop and start in your when you lay in your tracks. I'm going to take some Got To Be Glue free spray and this olive oil spritz, and I'm going to spray the cap everywhere I'm going to have the tracks at. Just where I'm gonna have the tracks at, and that's gonna like kind of protect the hair so it don't get as much glue on it. Now I ain't gonna say it's gonna 100% protect it because it ain't, but if you got that protective shield, I think is what it's called, you can use that, and that definitely for sure protects a lot more than the spray. But I'm just using what I got. The hair I'm using is this Sasha hair. It's by Outré. I got it in the 14-inch and in the color 1B. I got 2 packs of that, and I use like both packs. Okay. So the first track you want to lay under your first braids, under them, because you want that to kind of like give scalp beyond. So you want to put that under the braid. You want to measure it from that one side to the other, and you're literally gonna do that the entire time on your head. Going from one side to the other, you're just gonna loop it, and then it should look pretty seamless because this is like the easiest quick weave you can do because it's literally just like one side to the other. There's no special parting. There's no special like make sure one side's got more on it and one side is shorter. It's just the easiest. So you're just gonna do that. You're just gonna, from one side of the leave out to the other side, the entirety of the quick weave. So I had to pull out my trifold mirror because I couldn't see the back of my head at all. And I got this on Amazon. I think it's called like a barber's mirror or whatever. And it's very helpful because you can see the back of your head like in the mirror that's in front of you, or you can look through the trifold and see the back of your head in the mirror behind you. So that's what I use it for. But yeah, I had to pull it out. So I'm just placing this last track right before I put on this got to be, and I'm gonna spray the got to be because it's gonna help hold the weave onto the cap, and also blow dry it. I'm gonna blow dry my whole head because I want to make sure it's dry. All the glue is dry before I cut my cap. Now we're gonna go ahead and cut the cap. Please try not to cut your hair. That's why if you can see, I'm like mumbling to myself like, don't cut my hair, don't cut your hair, don't cut your hair. And just try to go slow and steady. Always when it's a race, baby girl. So just go slow, take your time, and just cut the cap. It's easier to see because I got a brown cap on. It's probably gonna be harder if you have like a black cap, but you're gonna pull your hair up, cut the cap. And then that's pretty much it for like the quick weave part. We're going to go ahead and put one more track on both sides of our leave out. It's going to make the look, once you flat iron your hair and flat iron the leave out, it's going to make it more sleek and more put together. It's going to give it a more of a put together look, so it looks seamless pretty much. So you don't have to do this step, but I do this step to kind of frame my face. I'm going to take it's just like an eyebrow razor, and I'm just going to put some layers in my hair because I got a fat face and the middle part don't really look right unless I got layers. So I go ahead and just put layers on both sides. I try to make it as even as possible, and it frames my face. So you don't have to do this, but this is what I do. I do it. And here's the final look. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something from it. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe. I post every week. Thank you. Bye.